It's not so much in going out and making. I mean, nowadays when they make a movie, they're not making a movie to sell you the movie anymore. They're making a movie, especially kids' movie, for the back-end merchandise. And an interesting irony of thing, and back in the 70s, it used to be that the toy companies were producing all the kids' TV shows. And then, of course, the government came along and said, you can't do that because you're just doing giant commercials and for the kids to buy products. So they forced them to get out of the business, and then the independent studios got in it. Fast forward to the 1990s, and suddenly, guess who's back, not only in the TV production business, but the movie business? The toy companies. Look at what's happened with Transformers. It's been taken, and now it's a major movie franchise, and Hasbro now has an entire entertainment division that's been developed. Mattel's doing the same thing. So the whole thing has come full circle because the recognition is that the value of the IP is in how you leverage the IP. And of course, now Hasbro's making a lot more money now off the back end of the merchandise than they are even making on the product. So this is being shown over and over, and that's what's happening all around the world now, is the recognition that IP is a value driver.